How to blast through procrastination. Hi viewers, this video is in continuation with our previous video titled, Source of Procrastination. If you haven't watched it yet, please watch by clicking the link given in description below. Procrastination can be your friend through your intuition alerting you to stop and listen. Second, your underlying source of identified you fear that has been contributing to your procrastination as a foe. And now, it's time to blast through procrastination. These practical steps are simple, yet not always easy. You've probably heard them before, have forgotten them, and need to be reminded. And that's okay, because overcoming procrastination is all part of the ongoing process to living success from the inside out. The key to blasting through procrastination foe number 1, feeling overwhelmed, is to take small steps. The key to blasting through procrastination foe number 2, feeling inadequate, is to ask for help. Procrastination foe number 1, being overwhelmed by the size or complexity of the task. Key: taking small steps over a concentrated period of time to achieve the greater task. Blasting tips. 1. Choose a project or goal that you've been putting off because it's overwhelming. 2. Break it down into small, manageable steps. 3. Schedule each small step into your calendar over the span of a week. 4. Mark off each small step as you complete it. Reminder: it's easier to accomplish the overwhelming task by doing it in small steps. Procrastination foe number 2, feeling inadequate or incapable of doing the project. Key: asking for help from experts or management. Blasting tips. 1. Select a project that you've been avoiding because you're feeling inadequate or incapable of completing the job. 2. Ask for help from a manager or someone who has expert knowledge in that area. 3. Together devise an action plan for doing the project. 4. Complete steps 2 to 4 from foe number 1 on your own. 5. Go back for help as many times as you need to if you get stuck along the way. Reminder: successful people understand that they don't know everything and surround themselves with advisors and consultants to help them get the job done. You can do this too. Now it's time for you to pull up your bootstraps and get ready to blast through your procrastination. Choose a task that is either a procrastination foe number 1 or a procrastination foe number 2. Start putting the recommended blasting tips into place and you're on the way to blasting through procrastination. Successful people know that asking for help is more than okay. Are you having trouble getting started with your small steps? Here's a bonus tip. Set a timer for 20 minutes. When it goes off, you can either stop what you're doing or keep going. The key is that the timer lets you know that you have the choice to stop after 20 minutes. This may sound corny, but it works. So start blasting.
Thank you for watching our channel. For more updates, please subscribe and share.